This afternoon we are on our way to the largest Truc Lam Zen Monastery in the Mekong Delta. In front of us, there is a truck carrying apricot blossoms, such an exciting sight. Just looking at the free entrance gate already feels very grand. This is the row of buildings you see right after entering the gate. It is probably the lecture hall. Here is the inside of the lecture hall, everyone. It's incredibly spacious. The guest house is located right along the main path. There is a statue of Avalokiteshvara Bodhisattva here. The statue is not flashy, but it is beautiful and solemn. This building is probably a pavilion for visitors to rest. With a tile roof, it must be quite cool. I noticed that the architecture here mainly uses traditional tiles and wood. I really like it. This one looks like a big lamp. And here is a stone stele about the history of the temple. The atmosphere here is deeply traditional, with only stone and wood, intricately carved. Wow, the courtyard in front of the main hall is as wide as a square, everyone. It's so vast that the camera can't capture it all in one frame. And this is the main hall. It's very wide. This temple is so beautiful and magnificent. I feel like I can even finish exploring the entire Zen Monastery. Over there is a tall pagoda tower. There are also several pots of yellow apricot blossoms and miniature landscapes. There are quite a lot of ornamental plants in the front courtyard. I think even just sweeping the temple yard here would be exhausting. Over here there is a small pond and a pavilion by the water. There is also a traditional medicine treatment room. This is the main hall. Its traditional architecture and materials are very beautiful. Because it's built with purely Vietnamese materials, it never feels too new. Look at these wooden doors, everyone. Inside the main hall is also solemn and beautiful. I noticed there is a bright red color, which suits the temple's architecture well. I have always loved this kind of architecture, with brick walls, wooden doors, and tile roofs. Look at the carvings. They are very beautiful, everyone. Since this is the delta area, these steps are properly raised to create the landscape. The lecture hall is extremely spacious and lies almost parallel to the main hall.